Sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen, but you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You heard me?
What's up, Louie Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright guys, so right now we're in Rockford, Illinois. We're about to leave out of here and go pick up this load and I can't even think right now. It's something Park, Illinois, just like right up there by Chicago or whatever. I ain't been up these ways in a long time, man. And you know, y'all been watching my videos the past few months. I've been mainly just Edwardsville, Illinois, it's like right on the border of St. Louis, Missouri, whatever, down to Laredo and back home. But I had to come up here to Rockford and take this class with as you guys know, the company I'm currently working for. So I had to come take this class. So right now we about to check out, leave out the gate, and I gotta stop at ATM, man, because I gotta pay these tolls up here and where we at? These tolls and where we at? I can't think right now. These tolls in Illinois. We gotta pay these tolls in Illinois, go pick up our load, then battle with this damn snow, man. Rolly. Gang.
Okay, you're gonna back into dock 44 through 54. Anyone that's empty, that's one of the first 10.
Okay, 44 to 54?
Yeah. Any one of the first 10 that's empty, you can open the doors back in, then check in the office right up there.
Okay, thanks. Illinois up. I like Illinois, but I don't like up near Chicago, because when you get up here, man, these streets are small. It's like bridges everywhere. Like, man, this right here tests your skills for it. I'm not saying this was a bad place, but when I was coming here, my truck GPS, I'm looking at my truck GPS and I'm like, bruh, people really do this every day? The local guys and all that come up here and go through this madness. You make one false move and going down the wrong street, your whole trucking career is over. Maybe even your life. But yeah, so we made it to the facility to pick up our very first load in Chicago of 2020. And then we're gonna have to battle with this snow to try to get it delivered by the end of the day. So today should be a very interesting day. But right now we about to get back in the truck and go check in. So I'm gonna see y'all once we check in.
Who do you drive for?
Oh, Landstar, I'm sorry.
For what?
Landstar?
Oh, do you have a console number?
Yeah, 165117.
You can sign, pen, and date all the pages.
So yeah, right now we got 18 pallets on the trailer. So the forklift guy loaded my trailer wrong, and now they making him take everything off of the trailer and put it back on the trailer the right way. He loaded it where everything could fit, but now his big boss came in and said it's supposed to be a certain way to be loaded. So that's what they doing now. He had to get somebody else to come help him get this trailer loaded. Look at all this stuff they took out. So they weren't able to load everything. It was missing one pallet. So right now I'm about to go to get my paperwork corrected so that they can show and revise to show that it was missing one pallet, so that they not saying that, you know what I'm saying, I left one back and all that. Because as y'all see, it's literally a full truckload. And the way he loaded it, he tried to load it so that he can get everything in there. His boss came and said that it's not supposed to be loaded that way.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video off, this vlog off here. Today was literally, man, our first taste of snow. I promise you. Since December, November, whatever, I ain't had no, you know what feels so good right now? I can walk past the trailer, y'all see land start signs there. Look at it. Snow, 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 snow. Yeah, so this was our first taste of snow, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm trying to avoid this and get away from here as quick as I can, but we made it to Edwardsville, Illinois. We got out of Rockford. We did a cabs class yesterday. So now, just gotta make this delivery. It's like 6 o'clock at night. My appointment time is at 10 p.m., but it looked like they let me in early, thank God for that. So, pick up a load, go to the crib after this, take a shower, get in my own bed, and then come back over to Granite City, Illinois tomorrow, pick up a load, take it down to Laredo, get back on our normal run. Rolly, gang.